Hi everybody, in this video we're going to take it annotating a PDF with the Chrome extension called Kami and how to assign a document using Kami for your students in Google Classroom and Schoology so they can write right on the PDF. So our first step is to go to the Chrome Web Store and get the Kami extension. So we can just search for the Kami extension. We're going to go for that. And I already have it, but you would be adding it to Chrome here, and your students would do the same to download that extension. So now let's take a look at a document in Kami. So if I go to my drive and I select a PDF, and again, former science teacher, love the plants. So we're going to start with this worksheet here, and it's a PDF. I can go open it with Kami and annotate with Kami. And this annotation feature is the same for your students. You'll notice the first time you log in, it's going to ask you, can Google share with, Kami, and you're going to have to give it permission to do that. You'll notice we're all having a trial as part of the closure for a number of days. It reminds me where this document lives. It's in my drive, and it's the plant cell. Now, I can do some things while I'm in here. So, for example, I could maybe make a comment for a student. It's going to ask me to leave a text comment. I'm going to put a little dot over my name, and I'm going to say, please don't forget to enter your name. And I don't think the yellow color is bright enough for my students to see, so I can check another color so they can see it. I might ask them to describe the function of a cell by typing it in, but I might also want to give them the opportunity to record a voice memo through text. And I'm going to demonstrate how that works, but how a student can use their voice to enter text. So I'm going to click a comment here, and I'm going to do a text comment. And I'm going to be able to record with voice typing. And I'm going to say, don't forget, you can use voice typing if you wish to enter your comments. I click return. It's all right. Again, I'm going to change the color. I'm going to make this one green. Now, your students can also leave a voice comment, or you can leave a voice comment. This is used a lot with students who have visual impairments. I can go to a voice comment, and I can leave my voice comment down here. I'm going to do it at the end here. And now I'm going to leave a little voice recording, and let me tell it to record. Thanks very much for completing the assignment. I really appreciate the effort you put into it. And I stop. And now the student has that voice. I'm going to change the color. I can also leave a screen capture or video if I wanted to leave a video recording or video comment, and I can do a quick screen capture right inside the application. So I've created and I've added some notes to it. And I just wanted to demonstrate some of the options were there. So now I want to save this file. And I'm going to save it into my drive. And I'm going to save now. All right, so I've saved this document. So let's take a look at how we could assign it to a student. So I'm going to start with my Schoology course here. And in Schoology, I've set up a practice course. And I have my weekly work. And I want to add a new assignment. So I'm going to choose this PDF, and I'm going to see Add Assignment. And I have a choice. I can add with Kami. So I can add. This automatically appears if you have the extension. I've picked the plant cell that I wanted to do. And I select it. You'll see it automatically creates a copy of your file for each student. And I could put in fill in plant diagram. Any other information I wish to have there, and I can save the assignment. Create. So now if I click on that assignment, it can open. Students would have to open the assignment in Kami, and they will be able to open it and go right back to editing the same screen we were just at before. Let's take a look at Classroom. So I'm going to go up to a practice class I have, go into classwork. I'm going to create an assignment, and notice now there's a Kami assignment because I've now installed the extension. So I click on my Kami assignment, and it looks the same. I'm going to go to my drive and find the assignment. Here we go. So now it's already made a copy for each student. The first time I do it, I might click this box, send Kami instructions to students, and actually I might send the instructions to them 3 or 4 times. If they're just to make sure that they know what they can do, I can check in, please complete PDF. And whatever the instructions are, complete the assignment. Not very thorough here. On plant cell parts. I don't have a due date. I'm going to assign. Let's select my class, Scout Liar Test. And now I can assign it. I can send them the link again for instructions, how they can get started, but I'm just going to open up in Classroom. So now I'm in my classroom and it says Plant Cell PDF via Kami. When they click on that, it takes them back to Kami and the document. So I'm just going to go back to Kami and we're going to take a look at some of the other features that are on the document. We can add text boxes. This is how students would be adding a text box. They literally click on text box, click on the word, and then they can type in, the names of the different organelles. So this is a mitochondria. This would be a vacuole. If I don't like my placement, I can move it around. So you just literally, if they select the text box, they just click and type. Down here, I can again have the students, they can create either enter text or I can have them make a comment. If they weren't going to do like a video comment, we can click it right here. And then it's going to ask me to allow the camera. Not that I want to be on camera right now, but the nucleus is the powerhouse of the cell. And we've now added that comment. So there are many features here. Oh, if you want to erase, let's say we wanted to draw. One last one I wanted to show you was drawing. It comes with some colors, but you can also select lots of other colors. So let's just say this was an English document and I wanted to change, have you underline nouns, verbs, or something within a document. I can click the drawing tool. I can select the color I want and I can draw. I can make circles. I can, highlight things to pay attention to. And that's a nice feature, but if I've underlined the wrong things, made the wrong circles, I can check the eraser tool and I can click on it and erase it. Click on it and erase it, and I'm back to a document. So that's a really brief introduction to working with Kami and assigning a document. I'm going to put in the description below links for more detail. These are webinars done by Kami that are quite intense in going over all of the features if you'd like some more information. So put up a PDF in Google Drive and experiment and play and see what you can learn. Thanks.